Alright, welcome back to Talking Tech, where we just review random tech products. This one I thought was cool because I've done a few of these shaving products before and you guys have liked it, so here I am with another one. Reason I wanted this one was purely because I've seen that this could give a quite close to clean shave, and it's small and portable, which is what I wanted. Now we know nothing will ever be as clean as a razor, but I don't need to be as clean as a razor, so I thought let's test it out. So apparently it comes with 1, 2, 3 and 5 millimeters and body grooming if you want to do that. There is a dual lift trimmer, center shaver and two-way flex blade. Very cool. Now the blade lasts for up to 6 months. I always go over that. It's waterproof, cord, 45 minutes of runtime and a rubberized grip. So this is the Series X and it's the XT5. Now let's see what's inside. Here, okay, we have our Australian charger, and that is the same as my other Braun products, which is good. I can only carry one charger, which is helpful. Under here, ooh, okay, hold on, let's check what's in here first. We have a very narrow owner's manual, which is really cool, but it folds out and it shows you all the details of what to do. Tells you what the charging indicators do, shows you how to do the charging as well. Sorry, how to use the shaver, not the charging, and then 10 hours to charge it up to 100%. And yeah, that's pretty much the little manual in there, which slots into this area. Then we have attachments. If I can get these out. There are 5 attachments and a body groomer. Now that's cool. That goes over the top to protect the blade. That's really neat. Then we have 1, 2, let's get this out, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, does it say on it? Yep, see that's 5 millimeters. This one is 3 millimeters. Then we have 2 and 1 millimeters. And this would just for the body. So the gray one is for the body and then the plastic. So that's pretty much the unboxing, except for the product itself. All right. And here it is. So here is the XT5. It's rubber in the middle. Oh, it's already charged. Just an on button and off button. That is where the charging port is. And there is the little shaver itself up here. So you would put the attachments on top and that's it. Then you can use an attachment or this little thing that protects it. Oh, it opens like that and you close it. It's like, you know, those toothbrush plastic kind of protectors. Yeah, same sort of thing. But anyway, so that's the XT5 and I will give you my thoughts on it in a moment. Now, I honestly thought that this would be a really good product to use, so I don't have to do a complete clean shave. I don't need a clean shave, nor do I want one, but this does a really good job at getting almost there. I'll put some photos up as I'm going through, but as you can tell, it does a pretty thorough job of providing a solid clean. It does a clean look. It does leave a little bit of stubble after, but you have the different attachments. If you want level 1, 2, 3, and 5, it will provide that as well, but it's just so portable. This is what I really liked about it, is look how small it is. To be able to take this anywhere with me, and the attachments they're just pieces of plastic, so if I did want to take them as well, I very easily could, and I didn't have to carry around weight, especially if I am traveling. So this is fantastic, to be able to provide an almost clean shave and to be this portable. Now, if you go through level 1, 2, 3, 5, that's just different levels that you want. As for this one itself, yeah, here are some photos that you'll see, and my light has just turned off behind me. So, okay, as I was saying, I think this is a really good alternative to not having to worry about taking shavers and shaving cream, and if you don't want to carry those chunky electric shavers, this is probably the perfect solution. If you did want to trim a little bit, whether it's a 1, 2, 3 mil, you have the attachments, which is just a piece of plastic, but this itself is a good solution to provide an almost clean shave, so you can take it with you wherever you go. I'm thinking I'll take it with me when I go traveling because it's just easy and portable. I can the charge lasts long. If you're going somewhere for a short period of time, you wouldn't even need to take the charger because it will last up to an hour. So you could get a fair few shaves out of it without having to worry about charging. But overall, I think it's a great shaver. Braun, great products. They last long. I've had many Braun products for many years. And I think, as you can see, it provides a decent shave as it is. So obviously I'm not shaved very well right now, but as you'll see through some of the photos, it does get pretty close to clean, not completely clean, but good enough. So great product. I'll leave a link below if you wanted to grab it online. That will help me a lot if you want to use my link, my affiliate link to buy this product. Otherwise, this is actually something I was looking for because I already have other shavers that they're okay. The electric shavers, they're good at doing from level 1 mil to maybe 5 mil. But this one I wanted specifically to get me an even deeper, cleaner shave. So some of the other electric shavers, they might do 1 millimeter, even half a mil, or even potentially 0. But this goes even deeper. I think because the blade is so small, as you can see, it really cuts through there as opposed to those electric shavers that have pretty big blades. So it's not really going to be able to give you a close to clean shave look. So that's the Braun Series XT5. I hope that helps. Stay tuned for more videos. Let me know your thoughts if you have one of these, or if there's other products that you want me to review. More than happy to take a look into it. So thanks for staying if you are still here with me this far into the video, and we'll see you in the next one.